will give you a brief history of the patient. So local temperature is, as per recommendation, the first thing which you must try to decipher with the back of the fingers, the extensor aspect, because that is more sensitive to picking up temperature. In this case, the local temperature was not raised. The swelling in our case was not tender. The margins were well defined all around the swelling. The surface of the swelling was smooth and not lobulated. The consistency was uniform. It was not variable. I think when consistency is talked about, you must remember that in some malignant tumors, you can have a variable consistency, firm in one part and cystic in the other part. This only tells you that there is necrosis going on in certain areas in this swelling. It is more likely to be a malignant neoplasm. Whereas benign swellings have a uniform consistency all around the swelling, all over the swelling. Fluctuation, this swelling was non-fluctuant. Reducibility. There are certain swellings like hemangiomas or vascular swellings, which when you put pressure on them, apply pressure with your hand, they tend to disappear and then slowly refill. This swelling was not reducible. Translucency is only restricted for those swellings in which you are suspecting fluid inside, fluctuation is positive, fluid thrill is positive, and then you can confirm the finally with translucency. And remember, translucency is more in tune with clear fluid inside the swelling, something which you, if you have thick pus inside a swelling, then trans illumination may not be present. In the next step, where you have the move part, what all will you see? I think somebody has already mentioned that one would like to look for whether the swelling is mobile or not. This was talked on in palpation, but this is more in tune with when you are moving to, you are graduating from look, feel to move. So how do you plan to test for move part in this swelling? Nagarjun.
Sir, we'll look whether the swelling is mobile with respect to the joint on movement of the joints or nearby joints, sir, surrounding joint.
Remember, the nearest joint is quite far away. It is in the middle of the thigh. So, do you expect that the, what are you trying to implicate here? What are you trying to suggest? What information you will derive, supposing I move the knee joint or the patient moves the knee joint, what is expected of the swelling?
If the swelling is arising from the quadriceps muscle, then the swelling will be moving on extension of the knee from flexion position, and on flexion and extension of the knee, there will be mobility of the swelling.
Okay. Anything else you want to see here? The classical
plane of movement of the swelling. I'll look for the plane of movement of the swelling, sir. In what direction is the swelling mobile, whether in longitudinal with the axis of the limb or perpendicular to the axis of the limb?
Okay, so the I think the answer here should be you would try to move the swelling both transversely as well as vertically. Meaning thereby, vertically means in the direction of the, along the direction of fibers of the muscle, and when you move it transversely, you are moving it at right angles to the line or to the axis of the muscle fibers. What else? What else? So this you are telling us the swelling moving in relationship to the deeper structures. Would you like to test any other mobility here? Superficial structures in relationship to the swelling?
I'll also look for whether the skin over the swelling can be pinchable on.
Very good. So pinch test. You have to do the pinch test to look for whether the skin is mobile over the swelling or not, or is it adherent to the swelling. Certain swellings, neoplastic swellings, can infiltrate the skin, and they can also create some peculiar appearance of the skin. You must have seen or come across the expression of orange peel like appearance, which is classically described as pure orange type of appearance. So you must also look for whether the skin over the swelling is mobile or not. So let us try to see. So the overlying skin, you start with from superficial to deep. I think if you follow the sequence, you will not miss out on anything. So first look for whether the skin can be pinched over the swelling or not. Next, the swelling itself, whether it is mobile or fixed to the deeper structures. The slipping sign. The slipping sign is a sign which is specific for a lipoma. A lipoma, which is a highly mobile structure. So if you put your index finger on the swelling, you can feel that it is slipping under your swelling, is moving away from your swelling. It is known as slipping sign. So these are the findings, and this is the information. I'm showing you the maneuver being performed in our case, and you have to tell me whether what information you are deriving. Dr. Mukil, what is your impression? Look at it again. Is the swelling itself mobile? Because the pinch test was positive. You could pinch the skin from, so the skin over the swelling was mobile, and now we are testing for mobility of the swelling in relationship to the deeper structures. So what is your impression?
Sir, the swelling is arises from the underlying muscle, sir. Because while moving the swelling, the whole muscle bulk of thigh is moving, sir.
Muscle bulk is moving, or is it the swelling? You see, I am gripping the swelling. The person is gripping the swelling. How do you know that the muscle is moving? You cannot infer that the muscle is moving. We'll come to that also. But I think the information being derived by this is simply that the swelling is a mobile swelling. It's a mobile swelling. And that was transverse mobility, and this one is the vertical mobility. I think you need to appreciate that the transverse mobility, look at the transverse mobility. The swelling seems to be more mobile in transverse direction than in the vertical. Vertically, it is less mobile. This is the data which we are collecting. This is the information by our maneuver which we are deriving. What it means, we'll slowly analyze later on. Do you agree with this, or do you have someone has any different thoughts?